Hey YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of me doing stuff. Okay, I got this and I tried to replace the tyres because all the tyres broke on it. So this is a Ryobi bench saw, little bench jigsaw kind of thing. And it's, what's the model? The model is an EBW4023L Ryobi. So it's an older model, and if you ring up Bunnings or some of these other companies, they'll tell you, oh sorry, we don't carry that anymore, we can't get you any of the parts. But I'm telling you right now, the exterior is plastic and they can change that. So the first thing you got to do is you go look here and you look at it from the inside where the tyre's going to sit to the outside. So the inside of that to the outside of here, and you get 9 inches. So if you look up the catalogue of the new Ryobi bench saw, jigsaw type thing, I don't know what the name of it is. Don't bother making one of these, it's a waste of time. I did try and use a bit of rubber. It does work for a small job if you're desperate. You'll get hold of these wheels off them for like 12 bucks. Now, I'll put it in hot water. So boil your kettle and then put it in with the tyres from your Ryobi. Jigsaw. Oh, bandsaw. Anyway, and you've got to get it right up over the top of them. If you can, you might have to do 2 lots, which I'm going to have to do. Cover them completely, get them warmed up so that you can put them on to the actual 9-inch aluminium wheels. So both of these wheels broke. I bought it second hand because I couldn't afford a new one. And so the first thing you got to do is stretch them. Got to stretch out them after you've put them in hot water for a while, so that you can get it nice and easy to put on then. So you pop it over the top, and the hard bit's going to be to get it down onto the small bit. So yeah, those guys that like having a bit of a laugh at me, it's probably a good thing. I probably need to have a laugh at myself on this game. Oh, you can push it from the bottom to bring it up, which is probably another idea. But getting it right is a bit of a horse's ass. We've done the top one. Fruitcakes. Too many bloody fruitcakes. Give it a bit more of a stretch. You can get it. And when they come, they won't even get to this level. Get that last bit on. There you go. So I've got them on. What a pain in the ass they were. Now the top one. Okay guys. First thing is we've got the tyres on. We've got to put this back on. Now we've got 2 adjustments. We've got the top one that tightens it, and the back one that adjusts the tilt of the actual wheel, the aluminium wheel. So the first thing you got to do is you've got to bring it down, put it on the bottom wheel, so to speak, and you want to go clockwise because otherwise it'll fall off. falls off even going clockwise sometimes. Anyway, we'll get this on. Beautiful day here in Australia. So, getting this right, you might have to adjust the back wheel. So, getting it like that. You really want to angle it forward a little bit, but not too much. You want to try and keep it on. It's like a sander. You don't want it to go too far across when you're doing this thing. Okay, so that is on. It's going to end up. It needs to go in a bit. So this is going to do it. It's just sitting on the edge there. Sitting on the edge. That'll adjust that. Hopefully that'll sit in the middle. Now I'm thinking you guys can't see this, but I'm going to try and take you around. I'm going to take you off the stand and take you for a quick look at where I'm talking about. So I'm talking about this little bolt here, which is connected onto here, and that can be locked in once you've got it right. So we'll tighten that in a minute. Little nut there, and that's on. So we can just clockwise this till she's nice and tight. Not overly, because you don't want to bust the bloody belt or the actual blade. So the blade's going to work. Now that should just sit there and keep going. So just give it a good turn, because if it pops off, then you know you've got to adjust it again. Give it a bit more. So you don't want it too tight, but you want it tight enough. You want a little bit of slack in it, not much slack, but a little teeny bit so it doesn't break. So that's pretty good, I think, even if you go in a little bit tighter than that. So it can cut through things. So yeah, there's your tyres from Bunnings. And yeah, over time they will change to a yellow colour, and as they change to a yellow colour they'll break. So while you can, try and get hold of some, and don't forget to lock that up on the back. Then when you're finished, just put the belt out of the way, move all this crap out of the way, and just lock it down as you do when you're changing blades. And this one has to be done as well. And you can replace the battery in that too if you need to. And there we go. All good and well, ready to go again. So I'm not going to cut that, but yeah, she's cutting nicely. And pretty happy with that. You can smell the belts a little bit, but they're new belts, so they'll wear in. And happy with that. So if you like this video, please subscribe and please like. Just remember, if you've got an old machine like this one, so you can see I need to really sand that off and paint it. And I've made a actual stand for it. I'm thinking of putting some drawers in the bottom, keep things in there. Yeah, So that's it from me. Catch you on the next one.